Hello, everyone. Today, we're excited to showcase a custom widget we created for one of our clients. The client has a fleet of trucks to dispatch drivers for various field services. They have multiple trucks and driver who need to drive to multiple destinations via specific routes. They used to use Excel sheets, and we simulated a similar solution in Zoho CRM using widgets. This innovative widget seamlessly integrates data from two different modules in the CRM, sites and routes. It presents a comprehensive table where each row represents a site, along with its corresponding routes. Watch how effortlessly you can filter routes based on specific criteria. For example, we filtered the west routes for the 16th, and voila, the table updates instantly. Now, let's focus on the weekly summary. These 7 boxes represent the current week, giving you a quick snapshot of routes and their counts for each day. An important aspect to note is the 2-week data display. The previous week is non-editable, ensuring data integrity, while the current week allows for modifications, like adding or editing routes. Let's demonstrate. On the 29th of April, we have 14 west routes. By adding another, it updates to 15. Simple and efficient. Moving to the second page, you'll find a detailed breakdown by date, routes, and the ability to assign drivers, trucks, and even the warehouse. Once all values are selected, you can save the changes directly in the CRM with just a click. This widget is not just a visual tool, it's a powerful solution to manage and modify your CRM data with ease. Thank you for watching.